Hello, Infantil 3. How are you today? Good? Nice. Infantil 3, our activity today is about fruits, okay? So we have here orange. Good job. What is this? Apple. Good job. Lemon. Banana. Good job. And strawberry. I love all that fruits. What about you? Do you like? Nice. Now we need to remember the correct color for each fruit. What color is the lemon? What color? Green. Good job. So we are gonna put the dots together, see? To create a line, so then it's gonna become just like the other side. You need to be slow, do it beautiful, okay? Take your time, you don't need to hurry. Do as best as you can, okay? Now we are gonna color both parts, okay? You're gonna do the same with all of them, okay? Take a picture and send it to me. Bye-bye.